Hello, I'm Andrew Mosspack. This is a Sony. Give me a minute. Here's the front bezel. This is a Sony PCV-R556DS. It was one of the first computers to feature iLink, and it's a dual-sided. This computer is pretty old. You can't see the original sticker on it. In a minute. The original sticker says Windows 98 on it. It's running Windows XP with Alien Red theme. It has an Intel Pentium 3 running at 739 megahertz. This computer was one of the first computers to feature a 32-bit graphics in. It had one of the first computers that have a DVD drive built in with HD audio quality, and a CD drive, standard with rewritable capabilities. It had a floppy drive in it, which I upgraded to floppy drive. I have the original floppy drive in my little computer bookcase. This is a really nice transfer cable I use once in a while. There we go. This is his original floppy drive for it. It's a Sony. Very nice, very original. So, yeah. It's pretty nice. It's standard, it's basic, all that stuff. I have a whole bunch of floppies for it too. I don't have this drive hooked up in this here. Everything in here was designed for convenience. The motherboard, you just unscrew those two screws and get this handle and pull forward. The drives, you just pull forward. The hard drives, 4 screws, and then you go on the bottom of it. There should be a little handle, and you pull forward. The hard drive, you push up and then slide out. There is no heatsink for the actual CPU. I can get the camera in there enough to show you, which I can't. The graphics card blocks me. Up here maybe. Yeah, there it is right there, and that cools it. The power supply cools it. The graphics card is not original in here. I upgraded it. This is the original dial-up card. That's another dial-up card that I installed. I'm taking out both of those to upgrade it to USB 3.0, and that will give me one port for wherever I want to put there. Maybe a FireWire 1000 instead of 100. That's our BIOS setup. Controllers right there. That should be the position you have them in. I'm not sure if you guys care about that stuff. You have a little buzzer. This is your FireWire cable that goes all the way out here to your mini FireWire right there, which is pretty nice. It's a FireWire S400. It has USB 1.0 in it, which is not very fast or efficient. It does have built-in Ethernet in the back, which I'll show you right now. Which I do use this as a server most of the time. Make sure that's plugged in actually. It has a regular FireWire that you find on the Mac. It has a HD sound card which has line headphones, line in, mic. Then they labeled that you can get a Sharpie marker and label the other ones you want. Right here, it has like a old school, almost like Mac style port. If you have a bigger floppy, I guess it's for gaming. It's called the gaming port. You have a printer cable, which the iLink cable I showed you a little while ago. Forgot. They don't like me when I have that like that. which is right here, plugs into the printer port. If you don't believe me, I'll show you. And then there's software that you can get for this system called file transfer, and you just go a minute. There we go. And you just push it on and it locks in. Then you screw it. Which I use that to send files to this storage unit right here, which does not have an Ethernet card in it. My dad has the Ethernet card for it. And this has 2 USBs in the back. And then it has a Mac style. If you really want to call it a Mac style nowadays, every computer has one. Well, almost every computer has one of those. iLink S400. Then here's the computer's tag again, and it has the original Windows 2nd edition tag, which you can easily find on the internet if you really needed one. I have the original graphics card for this unit still. Here it is right here. It is, if you can't see it, it's a 16 megabyte a second. A Zeus graphics card. It's just VGA, and this is not 320 I should say 32-bit processing in it. It's only 16. And then here's, okay, a minute. Here's the graphics card that I bought. I got for the unit, which this is only 64 megabytes a second, which I used to have in there. It's fast, but it wasn't fast enough for what I needed. The computer came with overclocking. I should say this came with overclocking software, which I used on the computer over there. Which these are all GeForce graphics cards that I use in these computers. Which when I click on it, here's the basic overclocking. Right now I have it overclocked. Which is very nice. This computer is pretty slow playing music. This is Eminem 8 Mile. If I ever decide to play. And did I click the right button? Now the hard drives in it adds a 70 gig and then a 20 gig. That's really it. There's not much. I will make upgrade videos on this. Hopefully they'll be better than this. It's my first video that I actually made with this phone. Sorry again for the quality losses and things like that. I will make upgrade videos, things like that. Like I had said before, thank you for watching.